In this video, we're gonna go ahead and convert this nesting box we have here into something else. So we are in the shop right now, and we're gonna go ahead and convert these two salvaged drawers from a dresser, along with some scrap wood, to make some amazing nesting boxes. So let's jump right into it. Now that the two rails are built, we'll go ahead and take that last drawer and put it right on top. So this is what it looks like from a front. Doesn't look like we need even screws on the edges, on the sides for the top drawer, but I'll be putting 4 anyway, just for safety purposes, so that it doesn't fall off when the chickens are jumping on it. Okay, so let's do that last bit and get this nesting box back in the coop. So you don't have to pre-drill the holes, but just to prevent the wood from splitting, I like to drill a hole in there first and then pass the screw right through it. And this is our finished product. We have 2 levels, and you can add partition in there if you like, so you can have 4 chickens sitting in all at once. Now let's take a look. Okay, there we go. We got one of our hens sitting in our new nesting box here. So we went ahead and filled it with some grass. Oh, looks like we already have 1 small egg right there. The other 2 are plastic eggs. And look at that. We got our Belsummer, and she's about to come and lay an egg in here as well. So if you like, you can actually add a partition in this so they can both sit side by side. If not, they'll just share it. Most of the time it looks like they sit one at a time, so 1 up top and 1 in the bottom, just like that. Alright, so it looks like she doesn't want me to disturb her, so I'm gonna go ahead and slowly back up and let them do their thing. And that is a quick look at a 10-minute easy DIY nesting box.